Hi guys. Today in this video we are going to see how to set a ruler in Photoshop, how to make margin in Photoshop. We are going to see how to properly set the guide. This video will be useful for you. Okay, now let's get into the video. First, open Photoshop application. First, select new document and set width, height, resolution and click create. Now first we can see how to set the center part of the image. To find the center part of an image we need to use ruler. Now click on the above view and select new guide and select 50% vertical for position and select OK. Now the ruler will be right in the middle of the picture. Similarly, select new guide again and select 50% horizontal in position and select OK. Now you can see the center part of the image. This is one of the basic ways to set up a ruler in Photoshop. Now you can see how to set the ruler on all four sides of the image. Click on View as done before and select New Guide and select one seam vertical in position and select OK. Similarly, click on View and select New Guide and select 1 cm to horizontal in position and select OK. Now, if you see exactly 1 cm ruler on both sides, if you know the size of the image, you can do the same on the other side. But since we don't know the size now, let's check the size. Click on the layer below the below side and create a new layer. Now let's take the mask tool and drag exactly 1 cm to the previous position. Similarly, hold Shift and select Continue at the top. Now it comes like this. Then select the color tool at the bottom right and select it black color and select OK. You can choose any color you want. Then we will select Shift Backspace and select foreground color in Contents. There will be many options. Let's select the foreground color. Now the selected area will be black. Now you can select Move tool. Now let's deselect by pressing Ctrl D. Then let's click on the black layer. Look down the right side corner. It has many tools for layer editing. Now we need to select Duplicate Layer, so let's choose it. Or you can hold Alt on the keyboard and drag it to the layer. Or you can duplicate the layer by giving Ctrl J. Now let's drag the duplicate layer a bit. If we select it Ctrl T, we can rotate it to the desired side. Let's rotate and do edge adjustment properly. Make sure the edge is correct on all four sides. Now select the Move tool and the image will transform. Then drag the ruler on the left side and stop where the black color starts. Similarly, drag the ruler from top to bottom and stop. Now let's delete all layers on the right. If you look now, you can see that the margin is exactly 1 cm on all four sides. Similarly, we can choose any size we want by giving that size on the required page. Ctrl H will hide ruler lines. Again, if you press Ctrl H, ruler lines will be visible. It can be set like this. I hope this video will be useful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.